Hello guys, I'm doing this leather repair. See right here, as you can see is the seat, leather seat is damaged, so I'm going to repair it. Let's see how it comes. Okay, it was having like a duct tape right here, from here all the way to here, and you know the duct tape left a lot of residue. So to remove it, the best way to remove it, you can use uh, one of these microfiber towels and use a 4W40, and that removes all the residue right there. And then I have right here alcohol and clean all the 4W40 out of here, all the grease, leather conditioner that is on here is gonna the alcohol remove it. And then after that, I use my heat gun. So my heat gun, I hit the damaged area right there, the leather, and I heat it up, you know, like moving the heat gun back and forth, like side to side, and then like kind of put it like paper, like this, and I have you can put the heat gun on the top of it, you know, like the hot air, and then after you heat it up, you want to kind of like iron this thing like this with a block to make sure all these little like those little leather things not sticking out, so you want them to be flat. Okay, so the same thing here. So I already flattened them, and I already cleaned it really good with the alcohol. So I'm proceeding to put like to fill those things with the leather filler, and let's see. I will show you the end how it's gonna be looking like. Okay.